What's your name? Ayansh. So Ayansh is going to help us today. Okay? Ayansh, can you tell what do you see over here? What is this? Water. And what's this? It's a white plate. And can you also tell what is this? This is seasoning. Okay? And this is some dish soap. It's a regular liquid soap. Okay? Can everybody see the plate? Yes. Alright, you can stand straight, don't bend. So, let's assume that these are germs inside a bottle. Okay? So, I'm going to ask Ayansh to help me pour some water in the plate. Ayansh, will you help me? Little bit. Yes. Very good. Now, we are assuming these are germs. Alright? So, we are going to sprinkle some of these in water very lightly. Ayansh, will you help me? Good. Thank you, Ayansh. So now, here's my finger and here is Ayansh's finger. Okay, our fingers are not washed. Okay, they are dirty fingers, they have touched everything. So now we are going to put our finger in the dirty water full of germs. Say loudly. Germs. And we are just going to dip our finger like this. Do you see germs on Ayansh's finger? Is it there? Can you see it? Germs, right? So now what are we going to do? I am going to use my finger and I am going to put some soap into it. Now I have some soap in my finger and I am again going to touch the dirty water with germs in it and let's see what happens. Okay? What happened? Germs went away. They moved away from the soapy clean finger. Alright? So when we use soap to clean our hands, germs do not come near us. Alright? Thank you, Ayansh. Okay? So what do we do before we eat? What do? We wash our hands with soap and water. You take 2 minutes, you rush and you wash your hands under the tap quickly with water and you come back. Do you think germs go away with that? Yes or no? No, right? So we always use little bit of soap and water so that we can kill the germs on our hands and then we can eat food with our clean hands. Alright? Okay. So that's all for today's experiment. You can please get into the lines again. Class.